everyone. My name's Lori and I'm 54 years old and I live in Florida. And I got to try some really cool new things from General Mills and Plateful Co-op. And this is Nature Valley. And what it is you make oatmeal with your Keurig. And it's very, very easy to do it. It comes out so tasty. And they have two flavors here. This one is apple, cinnamon, and almond with cranberries. And this one's brown sugar pecan with cherries and cranberries. This one's my favorite. And all you do with this is it comes in a box like this. And you would get a mug of, a good sized mug. And it comes in, there's 3 to a pack. So what you do is you pour in the oatmeal into the cup, open this one up, that's the fruit, pour that into the cup. Then you set this little Keurig cup inside your Keurig, and you set the cup underneath there, of course, to catch the water. And then you set it for 6 ounces, and it just comes out, and you stir it up, and it's really, really good. It's very fast, and they work really, really well. And I got a chance to try these through Plateful Co-op. And they're brand spanking new from Nature Valley. They're called Nature Valley Bistro Cups Oatmeal. And believe me, they're very, very tasty. And they're very good for you. So if you have a Keurig, you might want to give these a try. These are going to be available at the store in the 3-packs. So there's 3 servings per box. And I'll have more information for you in the blog post. So I hope you have a look at that. And I thank you for having a look at my review. Bye.